there, welcome to another lesson of Mathematics Form 1. How are you doing today? Hope you are feeling good. My name is Susan Matthews and I am from SMK Putrajaya, Presin 181. Today you are going to be with me to learn about a branch of mathematics called Algebra. I hope you are ready for the lesson. You may want to prepare a notebook, pen and calculator to make it easier for you to take down notes and do calculations during our lesson today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn algebraic expressions involving basic arithmetic operations. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to simplify the addition and subtraction of two or more algebraic expressions. Let's revise the basic of arithmetic with this situation. A garden has a length of 24 meters and a width of 6 meters. Do you know how to find the perimeter of the garden? What is the perimeter of the garden? Correct. We can find the perimeter by adding the length of all four sides of the garden. A rectangle has two pairs of equal sides. The perimeter is equal to 6 meters plus 24 meters plus 6 meters plus 24 meters. So, the perimeter of the garden is 60 meters. Boys and girls, this situation is an example of addition, which is one of the arithmetic operations.
Did you know? Mathematics as a subject that can be broadly divided into three significant branches: arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. Algebra is one of the oldest components in the history of mathematics. Algebra deals with the study of symbols, exponentials, known and unknown variables, and equations. Many math problems are about physics and engineering. In many problems related to physics, time is a variable. Using the basic ideas in algebra can help to reduce a math problem to its simplest form, making it easier to solve difficult problems. Energy is E, force is F, mass is M, acceleration is A, and speed of light is sometimes C.
Arithmetic consists of four basic operations. The four basic arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Algebra has the same four basic operations. The difference is that instead of numbers, algebra uses letters to represent unknown quantities. Do consider this situation. The length and the width of the farm are x and y respectively. The letters x and y are used to represent the unknown quantities of length and width. What is the perimeter of the farm? How can we tell what the perimeter is without knowing the values of length and width? Let's find out. A rectangle has two pairs of equal sides, right? So, the other sides of the rectangle are x and y respectively. Let's represent this problem using the algebraic expression. To find the perimeter, we must add the lengths of all four sides of the garden. So, the algebraic expression is x plus y plus x plus y. This algebraic expression consists of 4 terms with 2 different variables, the variable x and the variable y. This algebraic expression can be simplified. It is easier if we group the like terms first. Do you know what like terms are? Yes, like terms are the terms that have the same variables raised to the same power. Can you identify the like terms? Both terms with the variable x are one pair of like terms. Both terms with the variable y are another pair of like terms. The next step is to group the like terms. Move the terms together with the sign in front of them. Would you like to try rearranging the terms? Good! We will get x plus y plus y. Now, add the like terms. X plus x equals 2x. Y plus y equals 2y. So, the simplified algebraic expression representing the perimeter is 2x plus 2y. Easy peasy, right? Boys and girls, let's try this example for better understanding. Simplify the following algebraic expressions. Add 2k minus 3 and k plus 2. Before gathering the like terms, there is one extra step that we must do. Who would like to guess what the extra step is before rearranging the like terms? That's spot on. We must remove the brackets. The sign in front of the first bracket is understood to be positive. Therefore, the signs within the first bracket do not change. The sign in front of the second bracket is positive. Therefore, the signs within the second bracket do not change as well. Write 2k minus 3 plus k plus 2. The expression consists of 4 terms. Can you identify the 2 pairs of like terms? Yes, you are right. One pair is 2k and k. Another pair is the constant 3 and 2. The next step is to group the like terms. Boys and girls, to group the like terms, we must move the terms together with the sign in front of them. Would you like to try rearranging the terms? Good! We will get 2k plus k minus 3 plus 2. Now, add and subtract the like terms. 2k plus k equals 3k. And negative 3 plus 2 equals negative 1. And our final answer is 3k minus 1. Wonderful! We have successfully simplified the algebraic expression. Easy, right? Now, let's try to solve example 3.
History of Algebra. Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi was a Muslim mathematician and astronomer who lived in Baghdad around the 9th century. He authored a book called Kitab Algebra, from which the word algebra was derived. He also developed the concept of algorithm in mathematics, which is why some have called him the grandfather of computer science. Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi is known as the father of algebra. Aminotha is known as the mother of modern algebra. The history of algebra began in the 9th century, and the contributions of mathematics by different countries are infinite. Modern algebra is the evolution of older works which has made it easier. For example, the solution of quadratic equations with any number of exponentials can be obtained for both positive and negative integers by simple arithmetic analysis. Algebra is derived from the Arabic word Algebra, which means reunion of broken parts. According to Al-Khwarizmi, the word algebra is described as reduction and balancing of subtracted terms, that is a transposition to other sides of the equation.
Let's try this example for better understanding. Simplify the following algebraic expressions. Subtract 3x plus 2 from 5x plus 5. Now, we need to remove the brackets. The sign in front of the first bracket is understood to be positive. Therefore, the signs within the first bracket do not change. Write 5x plus 5. The sign in front of the second bracket is negative. When the sign in front of a bracket is negative, we must distribute the negative sign to each term within the bracket. We are going to multiply each term in the second bracket by -1. -1 times 3, x equals -3x. -1 times +2 equals -2. So, we get 5x plus 5 minus 3x minus 2. The expression consists of 4 terms. Can you identify the 2 pairs of like terms? Yes, you are correct. One pair is 5x and 3x. Another pair is the constant 5 and 2. The next step is to group the like terms. Move the terms together with the sign in front of them. Would you like to try rearranging the terms? Bravo! We will get 5x minus 3x plus 5 minus 2. Now, subtract and add the like terms. 5x minus 3x equals 2x. And 5 minus 2 equals 3. And our final answer is 2x plus 3. So far, so good. Excellent. Let's proceed with another example.
Almost every student will exclaim, "I'm never going to use this math in real life," while solving algebraic equations. Isn't it so? Well, the truth is, we often see people using algebra in most aspects of daily life. Just because we do not see any x or y does not mean that algebra has failed to prove its existence. The real-life examples of algebra are uncountable. This precise and concise mathematical language is entwined in a beautiful way with almost all other subjects and even in daily life. Here are the reasons why algebra is very important. The importance of algebra. The use of algebra in different sciences: chemistry, biology, social sciences, engineering, physics, food science and psychology use algebra. Formulas and equations. Algebra allows you to take any formula, substitute numbers, and solve an equation. For example, if you need to know how much paint is required to cover a wall of a triangle, then you need algebra to find this out, instead of guessing and buying the wrong amount. Simplify problem solving. Algebra simplifies problems so that they are easier to solve. Imagine if we do not have multiplication. Multiplication is an abbreviation that allows you to simply discover a value of 5 times 10. If you cannot multiply, you will have to add all these numbers together, one at a time.
Simplify the following algebraic expressions. Subtract mn minus 2p from 4mn plus p. What is the extra step that we need to do before rearranging the like terms? Very good. We must remove the brackets. Do we have to change the signs within the first bracket? No, we don't. The sign in front of the first bracket is understood to be positive. Therefore, the signs within the first bracket do not change. Write 4mn plus p. What do you have to do when the sign in front of a bracket is negative? Good. We must distribute the negative sign to each term within the bracket. Multiply each term in the second bracket by -1. So, -1 times mn equals -mn. -1 times -2p equals +2p. Finally, we get 4mn plus p minus mn plus 2p. Now, boys and girls, let's go back to simplifying the algebraic expressions. Group the like terms. Can you help me to group the like terms in the given expression? That's right. We will group 4mn minus mn and p plus 2p. What should we do next? Yes, now we are going to solve the operations of the like terms. 4mn minus mn equals 3mn. P plus 2p equals 3p. So, the simplified algebraic expression is 3mn plus 3p. Would you like to explore a more challenging question? That's the spirit. Let's do this.
Expressions and equations. There are many different types of mathematical expressions and phrases. Let's explore how algebraic equations and numerical expressions relate to algebraic expressions. Algebraic equations. The one thing that separates an algebraic expression from an algebraic equation is that an algebraic equation has an equal sign. Here are some examples of expressions versus equations. Algebraic expressions. 11x divided by 2. 10y minus 8. Algebraic equations. 13y minus 3 equals 20. 4x plus 6 equals 2. Numerical expressions. Numerical expressions. A numerical expression is a mathematical phrase that only uses algebraic operations and constants. Here are some examples of numerical expressions. 5 minus 1. 17 times 12. Since numerical expressions do not use variables, they are not classified as algebraic expressions.
Simplify the following algebraic expression. Subtract 2p minus 2 plus qr from 7p minus 5 plus 3qr. First, write 7p minus 5 plus 3qr without the bracket. Again, we are going to multiply each term in the second bracket by -1 to distribute the negative sign. -1 times 2p equals -2p. -1 times -2 equals +2. -1 times qr equals -qr. So, we get 7p minus 5 plus 3qr minus 2p plus 2 minus qr. Now is the time to simplify the algebraic expressions. Let's group the like terms. Which term does 7p partners with? Good. 7p partners with 2p. So, we will group 7p minus 2p. How about 3qr? Very good. 3qr with qr. So, we have 3qr minus qr. And lastly, the constant 5 and 2. -5 plus 2. We write the p term first, followed by the qr term, and lastly the constant. 7p minus 2p plus 3qr minus qr minus 5 plus 2. What should we do next? Yes, now we are going to solve the operations of the like terms. 7p minus 2p equals 5p. 3qr minus qr equals 2qr. -5 plus 2 equals -3. So, the simplified algebraic expression is 5p plus 2qr minus 3. Well done, everyone. You are now able to simplify the addition and subtraction of 2 or more algebraic expressions. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Try to do more exercises on your own. Remember, practice makes perfect. I love maths and hope you do too. Goodbye and have a pleasant day. See you again in another lesson. Bye.